Hey friends, hey, thanks for stopping by. If you're new to the channel, my name is Simone, your new favorite cash stuffer. If you're not new to the channel, then it is just your favorite cash stuffer. So happy Sunday. I am super excited because today I am going to be cash stuffing my sinking funds. I actually thought I was going to start off with my high priority, but I'm not gonna hold you too long. I do have a challenge that I wanted to do, and it is a roll the dice challenge, and I think it is in this book. So I'm just gonna move this off to the side and get this one out of the way first so that I'm not left with low funds and I cannot cash stuff my envelopes. This is my lifestyle binder, and let's see, this one. So this is a roll the dice challenge. What I should have done was roll the dice and then kind of have a pre-understanding of what I needed to cash stuff, but I didn't do that. So we're gonna do that right now and get that out of the way. I guess I could grab one die and let's just roll it and see what I get. All right, so a 4. I'll try one more time just for good luck. Look at that, and a 6. So 4 plus 6, that gives me 10, right? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's just go ahead and color in a 6 and then a 4, and then I will add $10 to that challenge. And I think what I should do while we're here for my next cash stuff, just go ahead and roll the die so that I have an idea of what I need to cash stuff for the next time. So 3, I'm just gonna put a little dot there. Hopefully I don't get confused. And 1, so that's $4. And I'll try one more time. Oop. That was a 2. You guys didn't see it. Let me try again. Well, you know what? No, because then it kind of just makes me get that whole entire row. So next time I need $6. I won't be stuffing that $1. I'll probably just roll the die again and see if I could get like an even number. Let's try one more time because why not? And I get a 6. Serves me right. All right, so that's what I need to cash stuff for next time. So now it is $11, which I didn't plan for, and it's still not even, but we'll just stay at 11 and call it a day. I'll add this back, and I'll finish cash stuffing the rest of the envelopes in this binder. So for 3 to 6 months, that one is getting $15. How are you guys doing on this Sunday morning? I'm not sure when you guys will watch this, but it's being done on a Sunday. Next up is clothes. Clothes is going to get $10. How are you guys been doing? I haven't been super active on the channel, but I'm here, guys. I am still here, still doing my budget. So next up we have gifts. This one I am going to skip for now. Costco will get $5. Costco now has 10. And I'm going to do like first quarter kind of cash count out with you guys, so I'm not too pressed on counting the cash right now. For my $5 challenge, this is for my registration. I'm going to add $10. I'm just hoping that I have enough change. This is just a little bit over $200. I actually want to do 2 5s because it's a $5 challenge. Okay, next up we have back to school. Back to school, we'll be getting $15. I kind of want to start making some change. So if I do this and this, okay, I want to put back some of the 5s. So let's put the 4 5s back and then add the 20. Because I want to make change. I kind of went ahead and took some of the money and made change so that I could give it to my children, but now I don't have change for my envelopes, which kind of sucks, but that's okay. We are cash stuffers. We know how to navigate. So special event is going to get 5. And how cute are these reusable challenge? I think they are so cute. If you are interested in any of them, just check the link below in the description box. So my wish list, let me tell you, my Amazon wish list is just doing too much right now, but I am going to save for everything on there when I tell you everything, okay? So my wish list is getting $5. And I think I have to start doing that just so that I can curve my spending, honestly. Vacation is getting 5. Yeah, I made each of these icon $5. So let's just go ahead and add $5 to vacation. Are you guys planning on going anywhere with the current event and everything going on? Are you guys going to risk it and take a flight or not? Let me know in the comment section. So Uncle Sam is going to be getting, what did I say, $10? You know what, I'm gonna backtrack on that and put 5 so that I could go ahead and cross off one of these icons because each of them are worth $10. So I'll put this 5 back and then take a 10 and then add it to it. Investments, which I'm super excited to be doing, is going to get 5. So it now has $10 inside. And we already did our miscellaneous. And I just thought, you know, miscellaneous is like add whatever amount you want. But I thought I wanted to like jazz it up a little bit and make it a roll the dice type of challenge / miscellaneous. So that is it for my pink binder, which is my lifestyle binder. Let me just go ahead and put that back. And now I could reach for my high priority binder and continue where I left off. Okay, so household is getting $5. Household now has 15. And I like to put the bigger bills on top. It just makes it easier for counting. Our home is getting $10. And I'm super excited because I am going to be moving this year. So I am looking forward to furnishing my apartment. I'll just take 10, put it back, and put 20 in total. All right, my savings. What did I say savings is going to get? I'm going to skip this one for now. Moving on to medical. Medical, I said, would get $5. So here we go, another cute challenge. I'm not going to color anything off in the moment. I'm just focusing on just cash stuffing for the most part. My Boss Babe is going to get, what does Boss Babe have to begin with? She just has $5. That is all she has. So we're going to tap her up with a 10. Okay, birthdays. Birthdays is getting a 10. Let's go ahead and do that. Car maintenance. Oh God, I dread. Don't you feel like car maintenance is like a child? Just an extra child in the house. Car maintenance. Gosh. So car maintenance now has 20. Retirement, which I'm just slowly saving for. If you guys caught my last cash stuff in, this one I already have an automatic withdrawal coming out of my account. So whatever I put away in this envelope, it's just extra money going towards my RRSP, and that is what we call it here in Canada. So that is going to get 5 as well. It now has 10. Okay, that is it for my high priority. Moving on, I am going to do my, okay, did that one, which is this. I don't, you know what, my monthly challenge needs a little love. I think I'm a little bit behind, to be honest. Yeah, I am behind. What could I do for it? I will add 20 to February, which is like my last $20 bill. It's doable. It's doable. I'll add 20 here. I'm a little bit behind. And then for February, I can do, I think I should do 20 as well for February. No, March. What am I talking about? I'm so silly. I'm a little bit behind on February, so I added $20 there so I could color one more off, and then I will add 20 for March and just try to catch up as much. I wish I had went to the bank. I kind of pulled this money at the beginning of the week, so I was like, it's the weekend, I'm not making a bank trip. It is what it is, so that is good enough for me. Moving on into my self-care binder. Shopping will get 5. Date night is getting 5. This one is like the easy cash stuff because they are all getting $5. Glasses, 5 as well. Nails is getting 5. Hair is getting 5. And beauty is getting 5. Whoops. Okay, and that is it for my self-care binder. If you guys are doing this particular challenge, tell me how it is going for you. I find it so challenging. Like, yes, it's a challenge, but it is a challenge. You know what I mean? But so far, so good. I think I'm doing pretty good. So I want to start getting into some of the higher numbers. So today we're going with a $50 bill. And I'm just gonna go ahead and add that there. So that's the first of me cash stuff. I'm meeting myself halfway. So the next big one that I want to do is the 100. So hopefully I could get to do that. Then we're gonna do a 10. And that is it for today. The last binder for today is my bills binder. I will not be doing rent, but I will cash stuff electric. I'll add $5 to that. And then water will get 5 as well. Tenant insurance we'll get 5. My envelopes are so new, they're kind of hard to I gotta break them in. I gotta break them in because they're so new. And then the last one I will do is internet, sorry. And that is it for today's cash stuffing. I am so happy to be getting back into my groove. And this binder's so pretty. I don't remember where I got it. I bought it years and years ago. I think it's like 3 years old, but I brought it back to the roster. Why not, right? So that is it. Thank you so much for watching today. If you got this far, give me a pink heart down in the comment section and let me know how you're doing with your saving challenge. Do you find it hard to save a little, or are debts taking over where you don't feel like you could save? Let me know. All right, bye. Happy Sunday.